Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking quarter cow cooks today, and we've been waiting for this project. In today's video, the step-by-step process on how we cook the tongue. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, hey, the first thing I want to do is reference this Angus beef chart and all of the cuts. As you can see, in the center is the Angus beef cow, and all around it are all of the cuts of meat. And again, in today's video, we are cooking the tongue, and obviously, tongue is right there inside the cow's mouth. However, for your convenience, scrolling above right now, as well as down below in the comments and description, will be a link where we reference this chart and show you every single quarter cow cut that we ordered and received prior to cooking them. You may find that very helpful because we talk a lot about the cuts and reference this chart. So again, I just wanted to show you that and give you a view of how exactly the cow is sectioned off into cuts for a quarter cow order. And from here, let's start cooking. It is time to thaw the tongue, cook it, and eat it. And we're kind of excited about this. Never have eaten tongue in the past. However, we are going to try it. Tongue has been thawed. We are just shy from transferring the tongue to a pressure cooker, and we're going to cook it for about 50 minutes, in our case, a 4-pound tongue. Look at that. Pretty neat, or at least I think so. And as far as the seasoning, that will be personal preference. May add some salt and pepper. And again, 50 minutes we are going to cook that for. And we did just that. Again, seasoning will be personal preference. We added some salt and pepper and a few bay leaves. And these will be down below in the comments and description. Time to cook. Tongue is now inside the pressure cooker or Instant Pot, and we have it on normal and high setting. And we'll also have that down below in the comments and description. Again, 50 minutes. 2 minutes to go. I am blown away at how good that smells. It smells amazing. What we'll do now is transfer this inside, and we're going to carefully pull the tongue out and rest it on a cutting board. Let it cool for a bit, and then we are going to carefully remove that outer white layer of skin on the tongue, and then cut it and slice it. And to the table, we are ready to eat. We've got 2 plates right now, and we've got a cutting board full of diced up meat there. And we've got the tongue on yellow rice, and that looks really good. I've had almost 3 slices. And again, we've got a cutting board full of diced up tongue, and we are going to make a whole bunch of quesadillas with those. And that is where we are going to wrap this video up. We hope this helps. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.